I am going to show you how to disassemble and install the gearbox of the split rear axle. It is very easy. All you'll need is a 6 mm Allen wrench. Remove the 5 screws on each side. I'm going to show you that. After loosening 5 screws, pull it a little harder. This half of the rear axle was removed. Also loosen 5 screws on the other side. In this way, the split bridge will be removed. I'm going to show you how to install the gearbox of the split rear axle. Lay the box flat. Insert the rear axle into the gearbox. Twist the brake pot. If it's too hard to plug in, then screw on preliminarily. Then tighten them. Same thing on the other side. But in the installation, must pay attention to both brake rockers should be in the same direction. Secure them using a wrench.